Today started out with a massive headache. It's now like 8 o'clock, 7:30 at night. I went to work, painted the hot tub, and now I'm back here. I have the gas cap for my 71 Ford F100. I'm going to try and polish it up. I found some aluminum polish, or chrome polish stuff that I'm going to see if I can polish this up. So it's in need of some spicing up, and yeah, it's got rust in it. So let's see if we can get this shiny again. Well, that didn't work. It pulled the chrome finish off. Dang it. I got the inside looking really nice, but since I got that chrome off there, I'm gonna see if there's somebody in town that does chrome plating, but I doubt there is. And if there isn't, then we're just gonna get a new gas cap, I guess. We'll see what the Facebook says. Well, it's a little bit later, like 2 o'clock in the morning later. I got a little bit done in the shed. I got it sort of cleaned up. But the big thing was, I put labels on all of my toolboxes, except that one. And there's one over here that's empty. I don't have a label on that. And I cleared them off, so they look nice. Now it's time to get this video edited, and then go to bed probably. So I want to thank you guys for watching. Thanks for liking the videos. Thanks for subscribing. And we'll talk to you tomorrow.